Hi, first and foremost, Lorraine gave me an apron and I appreciate it. I'm wearing this one, Lorraine, not because I don't like yours, I still have yours and I will. But my other girlfriend, I got many girlfriends, you know, Italian guys, brought me this, so I'm gonna wear this in Arana. We're getting ready for the New Year's party. We got filet mignon, we got veal, sausage, grilled vegetables. Now, this is not about more about the cooking. This is just that I finally got my new kitchen. And I want to tell everybody, I got my gas stove and everything. I want to tell everybody belated Christmas and have a healthy, safe New Year. And if you got nowhere to go, give me a call, you can come here. And two, I want to thank Dan for his manship and for asking my daughter to get engaged, which now I got the son that I never had. So, congratulations for that to my daughter and Dan. You're going to have a wonderful life. And to my daughter Gabby, you're the apple of my eyes. So, both of you actually. I don't get ideas yet. That's about it. I just want to wish everybody a very happy New Year. We're going to start cooking again. And like I always keep saying, I can't wait to see my grandchildren. Oh, one more last thing. I want to thank my wife for being the rock like Peter was to Jesus. And I love you, and I'll always be here for you. God bless.